if you want to take the macro photos on your POCO C65, I can recommend you to first go into the settings, then tap on the settings icon, and first be sure that you turn on the picture quality to the high. Next, go back and go into the 50 megapixel mode. There's also the macro mode, but it doesn't work well, so I'm gonna show you the comparison. So first, let's take photo with this 50 megapixel mode, and hold your phone steady, remember about the good lighting condition, then catch the focus, and now take the photo. And now I'm gonna take the same photo with the 50 megapixel with the macro mode. So it will appear right here. That's the macro mode. Now it's turned on, and let me just take the photo of this one. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer just to show you how it looks with the preview. Okay, so that was the macro photo, and it looks like this. Take a look. But if I go into this photo and zoom it closer, like this, I can find definitely more details. When you take a look right here and make a small comparison, as you can see, there's less details with the macro mode. So there's definitely, I definitely recommend you to use the 50 megapixel mode. And now from this, you can, for example, crop. So you can go into the edit button, accept all the permissions, and now we can just crop, for example, like this. There we go, and click here to confirm, tap to save. And as you can see, that's the macro photo, that's our crop photo. And when I delete this one, so that's the crop photo and that's the macro photo. So that's like big difference between these photos. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.